Hey there! Sick of hearing the same old ringtone every time your phone rings? Ready to give your iPhone a bit of a flair? You are in the right spot. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your incoming call ringtone on your iPhone with just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First up, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit until you see Sounds and Haptics and tap on it. Here, you'll find the ringtone option. To switch it up, tap on Ringtone and you'll be taken to a new page. From there, just tap on the ringtone you want to set as your new incoming call tone. And voila, it will be set as your ringtone. If you're not thrilled with the options available, you can always download new tones from the iTunes Tone Store. To do that, tap on Tone Store, then tap on Tones. Next, just pick the one you like and make your purchase and you're all set. Pretty simple, right? So that's all there is to it, folks. Now you know how to change your incoming call ringtone on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. Want more awesome iPhone tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye for now.